Headline: April 1, 2025. India's non-IT sectors surge. Opportunities abound. Sponsored by VSK Business Consultant. Information and knowledge purposes only. Today's special news. VSK Business Consultant presents today's special news, detailing the substantial growth within India's non-IT job market. As of April 1, 2025, a significant expansion is underway, generating a plethora of opportunities for both job seekers and employers, with a particular focus on freshers. Industries such as retail, manufacturing, marketing and sales, digital marketing, franchise, distribution, and the service sector are experiencing a notable upswing, contributing to a dynamic and evolving employment landscape. The data reveals a marked increase in personnel growth compared to the previous year, with 2025 demonstrating a clear trend toward workforce expansion. This growth is primarily fueled by strategic company expansion initiatives and a surge in investments across various sectors. The integration of fresh talent is a key focus, with numerous entry-level positions emerging. The manufacturing sector, benefiting from supportive government policies, and the retail sector, driven by heightened consumer demand, are leading this trend. The digital marketing arena, alongside traditional marketing and sales, is experiencing a significant boom, driven by the increasing adoption of digital technologies. The franchise, distribution, and service sectors are also providing ample opportunities for skilled individuals, contributing to a diversified and robust job market. Regional variations in job market expansion are evident, with Western India leading the way, followed by northern and eastern regions. Tier 2 cities are emerging as important hubs for talent acquisition, offering a more balanced work-life environment and lower living costs. VSK Business Consultant emphasizes the importance of specialized skills and continuous learning for job seekers. The evolving job market demands adaptability and a commitment to professional development. Employers are increasingly seeking candidates with demonstrable skills and a proactive approach to learning. Internships, online courses, and industry certifications are becoming increasingly valuable assets for job seekers. The growth observed in these non-IT sectors signals a positive trajectory for the Indian economy. The increasing demand for skilled labor across various industries presents a unique opportunity for individuals to pursue diverse and rewarding careers. Stay updated on the latest job market trends. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow our WhatsApp channel, and like us on Facebook and Instagram for more insightful content. Trust as a VSK Business Consultant. This information is for educational purposes only, and independent research is always recommended. We encourage all individuals to conduct their due diligence and seek professional advice before making any career-related decisions. The Indian job market is dynamic, and while the current trends are promising, future developments may vary.